Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC on New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all you have to do is dive into busy.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, you have here various information, but first, what is Busy and why we use Busy. Busy offers a suite of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So, the first thing that you have to do is just click over from your free LLC now. Then you have to choose your entity type, which is LLC. Then you choose your state, which is New Jersey. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have here three packages. The first package, it's basic, so you don't have to pay, it's for free, but you have to pay for the state fee. It's $113 and it's for 3 weeks. You have the characteristic of this one: prepare and film the articles of organization, and you have free first year registered agent service. And we have other characteristics, which is here we have online access dashboard, business banking account offer, and business tax consultation. And then we have the second package, which is standard one. We have $199 and we have stage fee, it's $113 and it's for 3 weeks. The benefits of this one, we have also business tax number, and we have operating agreement, and we have also lifetime compliance alerts, a limited phone and email support, and then we have form 2553. And about the last one, it's the best package. It's not the best, but you have a lot of characteristics, but you have to pay $299 and $113 for state fee. About this one, we have here expedited fill-in, and we have business contract templates, and we have also domain name plus business email, and you have to pay $429. About this one, you have to pay $329, and about this one, you have to pay $113 just for the state fee. So I will choose this one, and I will get started with it. Then we have company information. About this one, you have right to write LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, then designate your LLC here, and we have Mike LLC here. And business purpose, I will write, for example, selling clothes, for example, and then you click over next. And in the next page, we have here contact person. Please provide the name of the person responsible for this order, whom we may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, your last name, you write your email address and your mobile phone. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find a page which is company address information. In this one, you have to choose between professional business address and virtual mail service, and use my own address. So about this one, we have the benefits. It's keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notification and of any incoming mail, maintaining a physical presence even if you are not physically there, permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world, and you have to pay $29 per month. So I'll choose this one, and you have right to write your street address. Address is not important. City, so state here, New Jersey, for example, of course, and you have zip code, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you click over use enter it. Then we have here please provide members information for my LLC. About this one, you have to select number of members. Of course, I will choose one and link this information. Then you click over next. The next step is registered agent information. About this one, we have New Jersey requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. You have only Busy offers 1 full year of registered agent service free with every new business formation order. You have type of documents received by your registered agent can include service of process and state correspondence. So I will choose the first one. You can also choose I would like to ask my own As my own registered agent, you have just to choose between individual or company, and you link your personal information, and then you get started and you click over next. I will choose the first one and I will click over next. After that, we have here tax identification number information. About this one, we have an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your N from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So we have here I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security number. I will click over yes and I will click over agree and I will link my personal information here and I will click over next again. Then we have set up small business banking. In this one, if you are interested, you have to read this one and you click over interested. If you are not, you can click over here ask me later. So click over ask me. Then we have task, strategy, and free consultation. You have to read also these things, and if you are not interested, you click I'm not interested at this time, or yes, I would like to receive business tax consultation, and it's for free. So what you will learn, how you will all see taxed, how to choose the proper LLC tax election, commonly missed tax deduction, business bookkeeping requirements, how to reduce the chance of an LLC audit, how to use self-employment taxes. Then you click over next and we have business licenses and permits. About this one, if you wanna the team of licensing specialists will conduct the research for you and determine all the license and permits you need to stay compliant and receive the applications along with a guide to the next step via email. You click over yes, but you have to pay $99, or you can click over no thanks, I will do the work myself. Then you click over next. Once you choose the one you want, then we have order summary here for. So we have information here. You have just to click over edit to, if you did a mistake on tax info, for example, or business tax consultation, member info, company address and contact address, or company info, agent info, and you have to modify it. Then you click over next and we have here the last step, which is billing information. You have here to choose between PayPal if you work with PayPal or credit card. So I will choose credit card, then I will link my personal information like card number, expiry date, and also we have here billing address, and then this is the last step that you have to do. So we have here the total is $429, and we can also here I agree to the legal statement and consolation policy. We have here all these things, and you can just click over complete and page. We have also here additional explanation. You can just click over here. What is the consolation policy for my order? So this is it. And can I edit my order after this being happened? What happened after I pay? How can I track my order? So this is how it works. So busy offers. So as you can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below and I will be happy to help. And have a fantastic day ahead. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.